going to Cebu. We're ingay na nag-announce. Let's go inside our accommodations provided to us by TravelBee Business Inn. Dito rin kami nagstay a few years ago with my friends. Madayaw! Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. I'm Ria and this is Jakosalem TV. Welcome back to 2018. It's actually 2020, but in this video, I would like to share with you my Cebu trip last 2018. I really want to be a better blogger this year, so I'm trying to tackle all my backlogs. I'm trying to edit and I'm trying to do these videos in such a way that the content is still relevant even if I didn't publish it right away. Please bear with me, and comments and suggestions are very much welcome. We didn't really have any itinerary. What happened was a few of my friends, they had tickets and they booked it for Cebu. There were a lot of us who originally planned to go on the same trip. But as it turns out, alam niyo naman, maraming paasa. Naging apat na lang kami. So, 3 from Davao and 1 from Manila. If you're interested in knowing what I did in Cebu, keep on watching for day 1. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Jakosalem TV, and I'm here at the airport again. We're going to Cebu. And ito yung mga kasama ko. Vera and Jen. Wala kaming itinerary, walang anything. Nag-book lang talaga kami. Yes! As if maraming pera, no? We're gonna stay at TravelBee Business Inn. We're gonna show you the penthouse later. Grabe, I've stayed there before. Sobrang nice ng penthouse, guys. So ako, guys, fly pal ako. Pero itong mga kasama ko, Team Air Asia.
Team Air Asia.
See you in Cebu. Yes, we didn't have any plans. We didn't have any itinerary. We did have plans, but obviously, we didn't follow most or if at all any of our plans. But we did have a lot of fun. We were able to chill. Our chillcation in Cebu was the perfect break for all of us, and we're already planning for the next one. 2018 was Cebu, 2019 was Cagayan de Oro. If you haven't watched that vlog yet, the link will be up here and down there. But meanwhile, let's go back to my Cebu 2018 trip. Here's a tip for you guys. You don't necessarily have to be on the same flight with your friends if you're flying to the same destination. We timed all our flights at around the same time. We just all met up in Cebu. We waited for each other at the airport. You know, tipid tips tayo, guys. So most of this vlog, this episode will be all about my room tour of the TravelBee Business Inn. So we're finally here in Cebu, and we're at the 6th floor of TravelBee Business Inn here in the center of Cebu. It's near Mango, and it's also like 10 minutes away from Ayala. Let's go inside the accommodations provided to us by TravelBee Business Inn. If you haven't been to TravelBee, it's a business inn. I'll just put all the details down below to show you our serviced apartment. Dito rin kami nagstay a few years ago with my friends. Let's go inside and you'll see how big it is. And my receiving area. And then over here, you can go inside the family room or the entertainment room. It's the parang another living area. Pwede rin dining area. And then over there, merong balcony. Labas tayo. Ayan, may balcony. Pwede rin kayo dyan mag-chill paggabi. From here, this is the dining area. And my small kitchen. This one we can use in the fridge. There's a table over there. Pwede nyo dun lagay ang food. And then there's a water dispenser. And this is the parang entertainment room. It's all air-conditioned, guys, ha. So, dito na area, there's an aircon over there. And here naman, there's also air conditioning unit over there. With a TV. I think may cable yan. And then I'll show you unit 602D. This is my room. This was my room before, and it's still my room now. Queen size bed. There's a TV also, and then of course it's air conditioned. Tapos may open closet. My stuff are already there. Yan, there's a vanity. Hi! Yan ang magiging charging station ko. Diyan ko ilalagay yung extension cord and all my chargers. And then, let's go inside the washroom or the CR. The shower room. Ayan. Dito, pwede ka rin mag-OOTD. May mirror din. And then, of course, toilet. And then, shower. So that's my room. That's my unit. Let's go upstairs, guys. Before we go upstairs, so you can also go outside to the balcony from this bedroom on the first floor. So, ma-open niya ang door na. Let's go up. This is 602A. There's a big queen-sized bed and nagpa-prepare kami ng extra for, we have a guest coming over. Yan. Tapos may balcony din dito, guys. And of course, meron ding, yan, open closet again. And syempre, meron siyang own toilet and bath. Yan. (602B). Yan. Queen-sized bed, closet, vanity, and syempre may CR. Yun, same. And then finally, 602C. Ito yung pinaka-cute for me.
Hi, sweetie! Welcome to my crib!
Akala nila kasi ito lang yung room niya, guys. Yan lang. Oh, ready to perfect vlogging spot. No? Nainggit tuloy ako. Wala akong ganyan. Doon ako sa labas. But, wait, there's more. Ayan. Ito yung bed niya. Bed and may extra din. In case meron kaming guest. TV. I think lahat ng rooms man may TV. Open closet and toilet and shower room. So, ayan. Balik na ako sa baba kasi may mga kanya-kanyang pinagkakabisihan yung mga tao dito. Uy, gusto ko yung kanyang mirror kasi full length. Perfect for OOTD. Baba na ako. Bye, Rock. See you in a while. Balik tayo sa room natin. There you go. That's my room tour at TravelBee Business Inn. I like several things about TravelBee Business Inn. Number 1, the location is so convenient. Number 2, their rooms are always so clean. And number 3, the service is really good. They're very helpful. Every time we have a question, we request for something, they answer us immediately. They're very polite. Would highly recommend TravelBee Business Inn because aside from the convenient location, the rates are very affordable. Not exactly cheap, but definitely worth your money. There are other types of TravelBee Inns. They also have like dorm type rooms in their different locations. I haven't stayed there, but one of my cousins already did. According to her, it was also very convenient, super sulit yung presyo. After we have rested a bit, settled down with our things, we immediately went to Ayala Center, Cebu because we really wanted to have our Lechon right away. So we came here at Ayala Center, Cebu for late lunch and I'm so happy kasi meron pang si Auntie Lechon na ni-arrive. Yes, so ito yung in-order ko and this is 1/4 kilo. Kain. We're so lucky because there was still CNT Lechon even if it was, I think, already 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Usually by that time, wala na. Lechon is best eaten with puso. Are you familiar with puso? It's in the video. It's the wrapped rice and of course with really good vinegar. It's my first time to eat CNT Lechon because either super haba ng pila or nauubusan ako. But this time I was lucky and I got to try CNT Lechon for the first time even if I've been to Cebu for many times na. And then after our CNT Lechon, this is where we went. I'm so happy, guys. Merong nitro cold brew dito and I'm trying to tempt this girl to buy as well. Ang selling point ko is medyo beer ang lasa.
Yun lang.
Yun lang kailangan. Nitro cold brew, my ultimate favorite coffee from Starbucks because it's dark, it's deep, and it has like a slight caramel taste. So why did we go to Starbucks? We just really needed to kill the time because our friend whom we were meeting for dinner was still at work. After a while, our friend did pick us up. His name is Arman. He's originally from Jensen. He's also a blogger, but he's currently based in Cebu. Arman picked us up and we went to... Hi guys, we're here at Mr. A. Uy, may kulog fish. May pa-thunder lightning. Thunder. Thunder. Kaninong favorite yan, Rox? Uy, Rox, picturean kita dito. Grabe kaganda. Wait lang, naka-video kasi automatic yung emote niya. Pochero, laban tayo mga beshi. And then, oh my God, ano na besh? Yes. Hindi na siguro kami mag-picture, no? Kahit struggle ang ipailaw. We went to Mr. A. It's in the mountaintop of Cebu, so it's in a higher location. It's a bit colder, so it was the perfect place for us to also have another one of the things that we wanted to eat in Cebu, which is Cebu Pochero. And if you're not familiar with Cebu Pochero, it's different from the Pochero of the Tagalogs and the Pochero that we know here in Davao. What they call Pochero in Cebu is what we call bulalo. If you go to Cebu, you might be, a bit confused. The one in Mr. A's was very good. And we also had crispy pata and some veggies. We weren't able to take really good pictures because it was already dark. After that dinner, Orman invited us to eat halo-halo. Thank you for dinner and halo-halo. Halo-halo time.
You have to mix it.
So, try na.
Yes.
Yung ice niya, parang sa bingsu, guys. May milk na siya. Sarap. Sarap.
Makaalis lang siya ng umay.
Tsaka mura lang, 65. I like sauce halo-halo. Their shaved ice is already flavored, I think with milk and something else, maybe sugar. It's similar to the shaved ice that is being used for bingsu or Korean shaved ice desserts. If you're familiar with bingsu, that's the way Sauce serves their halo-halo. And the other mix-ins or toppings that they use are also really good. And as I mentioned, it's very affordable. Only 65 pesos, guys. So, sulit kayo doon. And finally, yes, the serving size is, it's just right. It's enough for you to enjoy all the mix-ins without getting overwhelmed or too full. But one thing to note about Sol's Halo-Halo, their location is very small, like I think 2 or 3 tables only, and open air siya, guys. It's what most people would call hole in the wall, but it was very clean and mabilis yung service. So I really like Sol's Halo-Halo. Definitely, I would recommend it to you guys if you're visiting Cebu. After the room tour, the Lechon, the Starbucks, and then the Pochero and the crispy pata, and the halo-halo, wow, we did a lot in one day, in our first day. After all that, we were really tired because the 4 of us didn't really have any proper sleep. We went directly back to TravelBee. We did go to the convenience store nearby and we did buy our favorite drinks, buy our favorite chips, and of course, some food essentials that we needed throughout our stay at TravelBee. So we bought energy drinks, I think we bought coffee, and mga pampabusog. That's day 1 of our Cebu 2018 Chillcation. I hope you enjoyed this first video of our trip, and do let me know down below if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, if you have any questions about chillcations in Cebu. Coming up next is more food in Cebu, and of course, we also met up with our blogger and influencer friends in Cebu. Watch out for those future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to read my blog. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell button so you will be updated if I have a new upload. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, don't forget to read the description box down below for details about everything that I already mentioned. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, share this with your friends. Bye! See you in my next one.